All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master. Today we're talking about me being wishy-washy on this industry. Comments have been a little weird. I do a negative video, I'm butthurt because I got fired, or I'm speaking the truth. I do a video that's positive about the industry. I'm just faking it. I'm, wishy-washy. Or I do a video about flat rate being the best pay system or better pay system or whatever, and I'm off the reservation. I'm just insane. The entire time I've done this channel, I have been its biggest cheerleader and its biggest critic. I point out all the good things, I point out all the bad things, and I point out all the stuff in the middle. I talk about this entire industry, the good, the bad, and the ugly. I did a video called The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly about this industry. Just because I do a positive video this day and I do a negative video this day, it's still this industry. I'm talking about issues in our industry. That's what I do. There's lots of great stuff about this industry. There's lots of crappy stuff about this industry. I talk about all of it. If you're going to comment about me being butthurt about losing my job, I'm not. I've moved on. I'm making content while I look for a job. Same stuff I would do, except I'm doing it from home, looking for a job. I'm still going to point out the stuff that's wrong with this industry. I'm still going to point out the stuff that's good about this industry. That's the thing about this channel. That's what I do. I talk about everything that I can do to help this industry. It's the whole point of this channel, is to help this industry get better. Whether it's helping young technicians understand how to be more efficient, whether it's understanding shop owners on how to run their shops better, how not to be D-bags when it comes to being shop owners. As a whole, this industry has lots of potential to be great, but so many factors hold back this industry. A lot of people say flat rate holds back this industry. A lot of people say, oh, hourly salary is the answer. Probably no on all of it. The fact of the matter is this industry needs to pay better. This industry needs to help young technicians coming up. It needs to find talent to come into this industry. It needs to be better. That's the point of this channel. So I'm sorry if you don't like me pointing out the good stuff or the bad stuff. I'm going to point out both, and I'm going to continue. I know this was a rant video, but as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.